Jenny, Jenny.
Yes, Daddy.
Good morning. Good morning. Mwah. You've got some bedhead.
Yeah, I'm gonna brush it. Yep,
Okay.
brush your hair and wake up your sister because we're going somewhere.
Yep,
Get ready.
we have a surprise.
We'll be downstairs. Okay. Gotta wake up Penny.
Penny, wake up. Penny. Hey, Penny, wake up. Good morning, sis. What time is it?
I don't know, but Mom and Dad wants us to get ready because we're going somewhere.
Okay, let's go get dressed.
Okay.
Okay, let's go down to the car.
Good idea.
Okay, let's get into the car.
All right. Door. You get in.
We have to get in first. Let's go. It's not that far of a drive.
All right, we're almost there.
See that farm over there, girls?
What farm?
Right over there.
Yeah.
And then you see what's behind us?
Only turn around.
It's the farm store.
We're gonna start a new farming business.
Yay! Let's go inside.
Well, howdy there. Are you guys gonna need some help with your shopping on this fine day? I think we're good, thank you.
Yeah, thanks for the offer.
No problem. Let's go get a shopping cart.
Mommy?
Yes.
Why does the shopping cart look like a crib? It fits more things.
Recycling, I guess.
Yeah. Keeping the planet healthy.
Let's take this out. I'm not gonna need it.
You have to put your girls down.
No. Can I get in the cart then?
Okay. Go check out the reins.
Yep. Oh.
Let's go. The reins are right over here. Oops, pick that up. Okay, let's go. They're back there behind the saddles. Let's go get them. Can I go get them, Mommy? They're behind the saddles.
Yeah, sure, you can go get them.
Okay. Jenny, what color do you want? Do you want pink or yellow? Because that orange one looks like it's for the big horses.
I'll take yellow, please.
Okay, yellow for Jenny. And the pink one for me. And, Mommy, there's only one more left, but you and Daddy still need some.
It's okay, we'll go shopping from her at a different store next time.
Okie dokie, then I'll go put them in the cart. Here you go, Jenny.
Thank you. Okay.
Next are saddles. They're right over here. And by my head are the helmets. So let's get them both.
I'll get the saddles.
Mommy,
Yeah.
can I have the dark green one?
This aqua one?
Yes, because green is my favorite color and they didn't have a green saddle. I mean a rein.
Sure.
The pink one for Mommy and Daddy. And the helmet's right here beside Daddy. I think I'll have the, Jenny, you can pick first. Which one do you want? Do you want the pink or the blue?
I think the blue.
Okay, and I'll have the pink one.
Mommy, it's getting kind of squished in here. Can you help me out? Sure.
Mommy, I think we're gonna need another basket.
Oh, yeah. I'll go get another one. Alright. I brought the basket.
Okay. So in the basket will be the
place
leftover
it.
things we need. What else do we need? We're gonna need food for the horses.
I'm gonna ask if we could keep the box in this one. Hello, do you need any help with anything? Yes. I was wondering if we can keep that box over there. Well, sure, of course. Thank you. No problem.
A few moments later. Let's start setting up. I'll get the fence.
All right. I'll start.
Stay tuned for part 2.
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
And turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another one of our fun videos.
Bye!